Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to withdraw from PayPal to credit card. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, go to paypal.com and log in to your account. Now, in order for you to withdraw to your credit card, you need to link your credit card here first. So just click on Link Your Credit Card. Then you will just have to fill out this form. Just put the necessary details about your credit card. So you just need to fill in your credit card number, your card type, expiration date, and security code. Once you're done, just click on Link Card. You just have to wait until it's successfully linked to your PayPal account. It won't even take a minute actually. Now that it's linked, you'll be able to see your card here. So the next thing that you're gonna do is to go to Home. Then under your PayPal balance, just click on Transfer Funds. And then you will just have to select the credit card you just linked here. Just a reminder that service charge on transfers below 7,000 pesos may apply in every transaction. If you're okay with that, just click on Next. Then just enter the amount that you want to transfer and just click on Next. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.